Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aarati and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my July favorites. Did you guys look at my makeup? Like, oh my god, I'm doing so much. I'm so happy. Anyways, so without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So in today's video, I'm be sharing all of my July favorites. So before going into my favorite products, I want to talk to you guys about my favorite moments. They're like two beautiful, precious moments that I love, and I feel like, you know, I can relive them again and again and again. The first one is my mom's birthday. I will leave a couple of pictures on the screen. We didn't do anything very fancy or something because of Corona, but I love my mom so much, so yeah, I'll put up pictures. And the second most favorite moment of this entire month is I bought a house. Actually but still, I bought a house. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I go high pitch when I'm excited, but yeah, those are like two beautiful moments. And I feel like I do pre-film a couple of my videos, so there'll be a bunch of videos in this old setup, but soon and shortly we'll be moving to a new house. Clap for me, yeah, come on. But yeah, so those are like my two precious moments in July that I can never ever forget, and I can relive them again and again. So let's get started with the products. The first product is, because of Corona and all of that, is a face mask. I'm not gonna say this is my favorite, but I feel like out of all the masks that I've tried, I like this one. I don't have any idea what this one is. I think you can go to a local chemist and ask them about this yellow. There are some numbers on it, but I don't understand. My dad got a bunch of these like in March. So from then I'm using this, and I feel like this is much more breathable than the other ones. I don't like the N95 masks, and I don't know why, because I really can't, but I like these are really good. Yeah, so that's like product number one. The second favorite I have is for body, and this is the Nykaa Wanderlust Japanese body milk. This is how it looks like. This is the bottle, and you guys, trust me when I say this is an amazing moisturizer for daytime during the monsoons, because it does not, when I'm saying you, it does not leave any greasiness. I will show you guys right in front of your eyes, okay? So this is the product. Look at my hand. I hope this focuses a lot. This is how it is. I just like take 2-3 drops and I just do this, and you're good to go. I feel like in the morning during monsoons, you can't apply a heavy thick cream on your body, and I feel like this is super good. And if you are somebody who has dry skin and you need to keep reapplying your moisturizer on your body, you can just put it in your bag and you can go wherever you want. Not that we're going anywhere, but usually if you're going out, you can use this, and I like using this in the house or when I'm going outside anytime. I love this, and it smells, yeah, it smells like the cherry blossoms, and I like it. The next product that I have is also a moisturizer, and this is from Himalaya. This is their rich cocoa body cream. This is how it looks like. It's super thick. I mean, like, it's very thick. This is super nourishing for the nights during monsoons, because of the weather changes, you need to hydrate your body every single morning and night, like day and night. So I like taking a shower in the night, and when I do that, I apply this all over my body, and it smells like chocolate, you guys. I can't leave. And the room smells like chocolate, and it's the best feeling to sleep in. I love how beautifully this smells. The next couple of products are also skincare, and I never thought in my wildest dreams that this will be in my favorites video. This is the Estee Lauder ANR. This is how it looks like. You guys, when I say that this would never have been in my favorites video, trust me, because I never thought I would be. I know that this is expensive and it's overpriced, but you guys, this works wonders. I'm using this very like, I used it very liberally. Now I'm using it very cautiously because I'm almost done, and It's very expensive, but it works wonders on your skin. Give it a shot. It works really good, and it makes a huge difference in your skin. Like, I use it in the night. You can also use it in the morning. I don't use it in the morning, but in the night, this is amazing. I love it so much. This is 100% worth every single penny. It shows difference. I love it so much. I do also like the next favorite is the Estee Lauder. It's like the combo set of this. I feel like now that I'm not using this a lot because it's almost done, I'm using this, and I don't find this a lot more effective, but together these are amazing. So if you're actually planning to buy this amazing product, it works wonders. I love it so much, you guys. The next favorite I have is a lip balm, and for that I have this. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask in berry. I've used quite a bit of it, and still I did not hit any pan on it. Like, I use it every single day, in the morning, in the night, and if I'm not going out, I usually use this like a thick layer of, like, you know, the Vaseline stuff. It works wonders. See, when I say that it works wonders, it did, because I do have a little pigmented lips because of all the lipsticks and all of that. But trust me when I say this, it works. It gives a good nourishment to your skin, and sometimes when you have dead skin, kind of peels it off. You don't need to peel it, like, you know, when you have the habit of pilling your lips and biting your lips. This works wonders if you have such kind of habits, because this cleans the dead skins. I like it so much. The next product is actually Corona related, and it's this Lifebuoy germ kill spray. I'm not going to talk a lot about it because there is a video that's coming up on different kinds of sanitizers that I'm actually using, and the reason why I'm using it. I do use a spray format of this because this works well on hands as well as on equipment or any such kind of electronic gadgets, and I feel like this is really good. It's really simple, like, you know, it's just a spray and you just do this, that's all. I do have another one disinfectant, that is the Savlon surface disinfectant spray. This smells amazing, you guys. I don't know what is there in these, but I really don't know whether they kill the coronavirus and all of that, but yes, they do kill some germs around, and I feel a lot more safe when I use these, so I tend to use these. And yeah, that's pretty much but those are all my July favorites, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe. I'm gonna start this new kind of you know, like, subscribe. Come on, you guys, go ahead and subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.